Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I made this mini library for my daughter's bedroom. So I wanted to get her a Montessori bookshelf, but I was searching online and I honestly wasn't ready to spend $200 or $400 on a bookshelf. The whole premise behind Montessori bookshelves are that the books are facing out so that the child can see the cover of the book, and this is a very budget-friendly alternative to that. So I'll go ahead and take off all the books so you guys can see what it looks like without the books on it. The supplies that you'll need are Mosslanda picture ledges from IKEA. These were only $9.99 when I bought them, and they actually dropped the price to I think $6.99, so that's a really good deal. And then I did use my Cricut Venture and vinyl to create this cute little bookshop theme that I absolutely love. So without any further ado, let's jump right into this project and I'll show you exactly how I made this.
After I measured the wall and decided on how big I wanted my bookshops to be, I used vinyl from Cricut. So this is the giant Cricut Venture vinyl, and the width was perfect for me. So I just cut it down to size based on how tall I wanted the shop. Next, I used a ruler and I measured 10 inches from off of the ground and marked it with a crayon, but you can definitely use a pencil or whatever you want. So these Mosslanda picture ledges don't come with screws, so you have to use your own screws, and I found some that were perfect for them and then used my drill to drill it into the wall. So I would recommend using a leveler for this because I kind of just used the ruler to make the marks at 10 inches and then eyed where I would put the screws. So I would definitely recommend not doing that because I did make a mistake where I had to take the screws out a couple times, but that is just a note for you. I'm also doing 10 inches from each shelf for the shelf that comes above it because I liked that length for them, but you can definitely pick and choose how tall or how much space you want between each shelf. Finally, I added the little white dot stickers that also comes in the pack of the picture ledges. Now I'm cutting my smart removable vinyl on my Cricut Venture, and I do have a complete tutorial on how to use the Cricut Venture. If you want to check that out, click the link in my description box and I will go through Cricut Design Space and show you everything you need to know. So I am also using smart glitter iron-on for this project as well. I'm using gold and white. Now we have the blue awning for the bookshop, and I'm just peeling off the surrounding material that I don't need. And this is a little bit tricky. So I thought it would be easy to just put it on the wall, but I ended up trying to apply it and then it was very crooked, as you can see. So I peeled it off, and luckily this is removable vinyl, so it was easy to peel off. And then I did try it again. So when I originally got my Cricut Venture, I used to use transfer tape to apply large pieces of vinyl. However, I found that you didn't really need to. Like, it does help a little bit, but it also is a waste of material. And I ended up just trying to use big pieces of vinyl without transfer tape. And even though I did mess up on this part the first time, the second time I applied it and I just smoothed it out with my hands and it ended up looking good. Now I'm peeling my smart glitter iron-on material and I'm just removing the pieces from the large piece, and I'm using gold and white. I love how the glitter looks. I think it just adds a little extra texture to it. I thought I would be able to apply it using my Cricut Easy Press Mini, but that was a terrible idea because it ended up melting the vinyl a bit and it was not a good idea. So I ended up just using glue, and I liked that version of applying it way better and it was way faster as well, and also safer because, you know, you're not burning your vinyl. So anyways, I did a little pattern, white, gold, and again, I absolutely love how the shimmer and the glitter looks. I think it looks adorable. I decided to also add a second bookshop to the right, and I used purple vinyl for that, and here is how it turned out.
Thanks so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment and let us know if you'll try this DIY at home. And as always, we hope you all have a great rest of your day and catch you in the next video.